Thank you, Alex. Pouring is easy for humans, but for robots, it's quite challenging. I'll explain how it works. Hey David, Jimin. What are your thoughts on the demo?
Yeah, look good. The demo was performed using RLDX, which we spent 6 months trying to build it.
Right. And the thing that makes this work is torque.
Yeah, that's right. Previous models only uses vision and joint angles. They know what happens in front of them, but they cannot feel anything. They cannot detect the contact of the object, and they cannot know the weight of the object. This is exactly where torque comes in, which makes RLDX distinguished. When we pour coffee from a coffee pot, the pot gets lighter and the cup gets heavier. That's basically the only change. Visual cues and joint angles are roughly the same, but the weight is totally different.
As you mentioned, without torque sensing, the model gets confused whether the coffee was actually poured on or not. It may hold too long or put the cup down before it finished the task.
By using the torque, the robot can know how much the coffee is poured by tracking the physical signals in real time. That's why the most does in RLDX. It takes the physical signals from the hand and translates them into something the model can work with. When processed with the vision, the robot can see and feel together with just like humans can do.
Right. RLDX can properly process these physical signals by imposing or assigning its own stream to handle torque signals. You may underestimate the importance of torque, but torque is not only important when we gauging weight, but also important when we detecting the contacts with object, which is very important in dexterous manipulation, as you know. Think about the case when we picking up the card on the table. Our fingers on the table, its joint values look very similar regardless of the contact. However, think about the wrist torque. The torque is changed instantly when the contact is made. So model knows the contact is made and move on to the next step.
Yes, we also trained without using torque in previous. That model fails to regulate interaction forces. Sometimes it cannot sweep the card without contact, and sometimes it pushes down a lot and card doesn't move anymore. Anyway, weight shifting and contact detections are completely different problems, but using torque can handle. This is why RLDX is the key to making this work.
Yeah, that's what we built at RLDX.